Yes people, today we're going to be experiencing the all-new Jurassic World, the exhibition at the London XL Centre, which is just behind me. This experience was kindly gifted to me, so you guys are going to come with me and experience it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, and without further ado, let's go and see some dinosaurs. Dinosaurs inside of here, so it looks like you're looking down inside the valley which is over there. And now we're going into the Hammond Creation Lab. That was honestly so good. We just watched like a raptor and an animal behaviorist. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. They did a little show. It was absolutely amazing. We are about to witness a dinosaur being fed.
I'm sure everything is going to be fine. We did lie to you. There is a dinosaur. As you can probably tell.
So we have just finished the Jurassic World, the exhibition here at the London XL Centre. Honestly, one of the best immersive experiences I've ever done. If you're in London, definitely try and get down to do it. It's not far from the O2, the Station Mansion House is literally there. It's such an incredible attraction, honestly. I just want to thank Jurassic World for inviting me to come and share this experience with you, to go and experience it. It has honestly been amazing. And like I said at the start of the video, if you aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I know this was a mini short vlog, but over the Halloween period there's going to be so many more vlogs, so make sure you stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.